Today my lesson is about in at the beach. I will be talking about one grammar article in every videos. In this video I will be talking about most of, the most and almost. Last weekend I went to the beach with my family. It was one of the most beautiful day and had ever seen. The sun was shining brightly and most people were swimming or playing in the sand. The sound of the waves was relaxing and the air was fresh and clean. I felt almost like I was in another world. We walked along the shore and collected seashells. Most of the shells were small, but some were colorful and shiny. My little brother was very happy because he found the most amazing shell of all. We also built a sand castle, and most children came to look at it. It was almost perfect until the big waves washed it away. Before we left, we sat on the sand and watched the sunset. It was the most peaceful moment of the day. Most of the people were packing up their things and the beach became quiet. I was almost sad to leave, but I knew we could come back again soon. The beach is truly one of the most wonderful places to relax. Let's look at how uh, most of, the most, almost was used in this video. Most, the majority in general, no specific group. Used without the this my. Examples. Most pets are cute. Pets in general. Most people enjoy music. People in general. But most my friend speak singular, not general, a specific group of people, not correct. Uh, I stay home most the time. Incorrect. The time is not general. It is specific. Most his advice was good. This year, his advice is specific, not general. Most those stories are interesting. Those stories is a very specific group of books, stories. Uh, Next, most of. The majority of a specific group use with you, my, the, and etc. Uh, Examples. Most of my friends are women. My friends is specific group. Specific group. Uh, Most of you like my lesson. This year, most of you like my lesson is yes, this you is specific group. But most of students don't like ice cream. Most of not yours student is general, not a specific group. Most of people like passport. People is general, not specific, not choose. They are correct. These are correct. More we can use. Next, the most. The highest amount or degree used in superlative. The most add long adjective. Examples: it was the most relaxing vacation ever. The most relaxing, this is adjective. Verb at the most. The talks the most in class. Verb at the most. Next, almost. Nearly. Almost is cannot be used with general or specific groups. Almost add verb, almost add adjective, almost add numbers, almost add all, almost add always. Almost cannot be used before noun. He almost won the game. He almost won the game. Add verb. They are almost ready to go out. Add adjective. It is almost 5. Add numbers. I almost always eat lunch. Almost always adverb. Almost cannot be used before nouns. Before I said almost cannot be used before nouns. For example, almost people like music. People is nouns, not use almost. All means we can use correct word. Almost all people like music. This here all means 100% of something. Almost means nearly but not completely. When you put them together, almost all, near all, not absolutely everyone. All people like music. 100% of people like music. Almost all people like music. 100% of people like music. Almost all people like music. About 95% or 99% or like music, but not everyone. Almost all students pass the test. Almost all water on earth is salt. Not 100% is here, almost all, not 100%, but 90, maybe 95% people like passed test. Water on earth is salty. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.